Life is full of twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Twists and turns, twists and turns. We are the children of God. Twists and turns, twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Smadu.
Hello children, I'm Teacher Grace. In our literacy lesson today, we are going to read a passage. But before we read the passage, I want us to stand and we sing a song together. Reading passage, and answer question. Reading passage, and answer questions. Reading passage, and answer questions. Reading passage and answer questions. In our today's lesson, we are going to read a passage in our literacy book, and the page is 114, and the story reads, I often go to a library near my home. There are so many books there. I select books from the shelves, then sit and read them. I like storybooks best. Many storybooks have pictures of people, animals, and places. Some stories are very interesting. They teach me how to behave well and how to live at peace with others. Sometimes I borrow the books and take them home with me. I read the passage again. I often go to the library near my home. There are so many books there. I select books from the shelves and sit and read them. I like storybooks best. Many storybooks have pictures of people, animals, and places. Some stories are very interesting. They teach me how to behave well and how to live at peace with others. Sometimes I borrow the books and take them home with me. This is a story about somebody, and this person normally goes to the library and the library near their home. He goes there and read the storybooks. And the storybook he reads, he goes to the library and select books from the shelves, and he sits down and read them. Many stories books have pictures of people, animals, and places. And some stories are very interesting. So they teach him how to behave well and how to live at peace with others. And sometimes he borrows the books and go home with them to read. Now, from the passage we have read, I want us to answer the questions from the story. And our first question is, where is the library? Where is the library? Where is the library? And you know what is a library? It is a place where you can find many books to read. That is why it is called a library. Now, from the story we have read, where is the library? You put a question mark. Where is the library? From the story we have read, the library is near their home. Yes, the library is near their home, or the library is near their home, or the library is near my home. The library is near my home. From the story we have learned, the library is near my home, near the person who is reading, who was going to the library. That library is near their home. From the story we have learned, which books does the writer like best? Which books does the writer likes? Which books does the writer likes best? Like. Which book does the writer like best? Which book does the writer like best? He likes story books. He likes story books. That's why he go to the library to get the storybooks to read. So the writer likes story books. From the story we have read, what does the writer learn from the stories? What does the writer learn? What does the writer learn from the stories? From the stories. What does the writer learn from the stories? The writer learns how to behave well, and how to live at peace with others. So, how to behave well and how to live at peace with others. He learns how to behave well and how to behave well and live at peace with others. How to behave well and to live at peace with others. So, what does the writer learn from the stories? He learns how to behave well and live at peace with others. That is how the writer learns from the story books he reads. How to behave well and live at peace with others. What was the passage about? What was the passage about? What was the passage about? The passage was about the library near my home. The library near my home. The passage was about the library near my home. I know you have known how to answer the questions from the story. Until next time, children, bye-bye for now.